to Gardening with Ben. In today's episode, we're going to be planting our sunflowers out as they're getting too big for the pots. It's still quite cool here in Sheffield, but hopefully we can get them out. We're going to have a little cold spell this week, but then it's going to get warmer. So hopefully they will not die on me. Hopefully they'll survive the colder nights, but we're going to get them out and get them planted and see if we can get the tallest sunflower this year in our little competition that we're doing in our gardening Discord. See who can grow the biggest sunflower. It's me against quite a few others and some novice gardeners as well, so we need to try and win. Really, we can't let the novices win. Even though I still class myself as a novice. So let's have a look at our sunflowers and see how big they are at the moment. So as you can see, they're quite tall, so they need to get out in the soil to get them bigger and get them established and get them growing. So we need to prepare a bed to plant these sunflowers in to get nice huge ones. We're gonna win this competition, trust me. I think we're going to use this bed to grow them in. It's got some old beetroot in it, so we're going to dig it all out, get it all cleared, get it dug over, make sure it's weed free and get them planted. This is a sunny bed, this one. It gets sun quite a lot, so we need nice sunshine to get them nice and big to grow in. So we've got out most of the weeds, and as you can see we've got some shallots growing as well. That's shallot. But yeah, we're going to just give it a good rotivate over to get it dug here over, because it's a bit composty. So we're going to dig it over and loosen the soil up. So let's see our tool that we're going to be using. We're going to be using this Wolf Garden tool, which is absolutely fantastic. It's got a hoe on it and it's got blades on it as well to chop it all up. So let's see it in action. As you can see, it's chopping it up rather good, fetching out some of the roots what are in there, which we can pick out. Yeah, there we go. So we've got all the sunflowers outside what we're going to plant today. We've got some fish blood and bone as well to give them an extra kick and to get them started. So we're going to dig a hole, put some of this in the bottom and then plant a sunflower on top. Hopefully get some big sunflowers growing. So it's a case of making a hole and then sprinkling some into the bottom, and then when it waters it'll feed the plant as well. So there we go, we have this first one in. So we're just going to backfill it with the soil like so. We'll get all them weeds out, they'll die back anyway now that they've been all dug out. So yeah, let's get them all in. So we've got them all planted out now. We've got 2 rows there. So what we're going to do is we're just going to give them that extra bit of food. So we're going to spread some more fish and blood around the top so that it soaks into the soil as well and gives them that extra bit of food. So there we have it, all planted. So last job is to give them a nice drink of water. Remember, sunflowers are heavy drinkers once they get established. So yeah, keep them well watered. And obviously we need to get some big canes as well at some point to support them as they grow bigger. So let's get them all watered. So I hope you've enjoyed that video of us planting our sunflowers. Make sure you stay up to date with how well they're getting on, whether they get eaten or whether they survive, and get growing and see if we can grow the tallest sunflower and beat everyone else. So until next time everyone, remember, keep smiling, keep shining and keep gardening with Ben everyone.